Hello, JP here with a quick and simple video that shows how to use the Rolex Sea Dweller 43 from setting the time and date through to winding and adjusting. For this video, I'm using a 2023 Rolex Sea Dweller 43 in bimetal. That is the steel and yellow gold version. The Sea Dweller 43 comes in an Oyster style bracelet only with a black dial. Unscrewing the crown to position 1 allows for the watch to be wound manually. Turn the crown clockwise for the minimum of 25 times to put sufficient charge in for wearing. Turning anti-clockwise has no effect. To set the date function, pull the crown out to the second notch. Rotate clockwise until the correct date. Pull the crown out to the third position to set the time. Turn the crown clockwise or anti-clockwise as needed. You might want to go through the 12 marker to establish if it's AM or PM. Personally, I set the date to the day before when I set the time, and then I wind it through in the knowledge I know when AM and PM is. To adjust the bracelet size, you can use the glide lock adjustment. Alternatively, if that does not give enough adjustment, then you will need to either add or remove links. Additional links can be ordered from your local authorised dealer to ensure they are genuine and match perfectly. The authorised dealer will normally adjust for you when you do this. Your Rolex Sea Dweller 43 is now set and ready for use. If you're going to use in any kind of water situation, do ensure that you've checked you've re-screwed the crown down to ensure it gets its water resistance. When it is in this position, Rolex claim a water resistance on the Sea Dweller 43 is 1,220 metres. The Sea Dweller 43 comes in two options, the all steel or bimetal, steel and gold that is. The all steel is often considered a more popular of the two. That could be due to the steel version costing considerably less than the steel and gold new. My own opinion is the bimetal Sea Dweller 43 has a certain presence with its size and how it sparkles as the light reflects off the gold. And all steel models look more like a Submariner on steroids, but that's just my own personal opinion. Thank you for watching this video, and until the next one, JP out. Bye. Is that the time?